Spending some time at home is, after like probably traveling and playing tournaments, it's actually a blessing, I would say. And being at home, it's not been that difficult, honestly speaking, because morning I wake up, I do my routines, I train, and then I get back, I come catch up with a lot of movies on Netflix and Amazon, and then chit chatting with all of my friends, which I've before, probably in last few days I've not spoken to them. So I'm, sort of like getting back in touch with my school friends and college friends. It's nice, since we have plenty of time in hand, utilizing it in a much more better way this time around. No, it's been some downtime for me for some time now. So we've had some off. Even this season also, before, like after T20s, we had like 2 months time also before I got to play the challenges. So but again, it was busy, like you practicing and training, so heading out. So most of the time is to like spend around 8-9 hours outside only. So so like just we just got this time like just for ourselves, being at home, not even able to step out of the house. This is something unusual which we never felt. Like it feels like, okay, um, you're literally on bedridden sort of a feeling. You're just not able to access any places. Honestly speaking, it's not easy for us to stay at one place, but I think if you ask me, this quarantine is making me super lazy. Just eat, sleep, and just be all ourselves. It's actually made me super lazy so far, but I've also developed, it's not something which I'm used to, but I'm sort of cooking now, so which I'm trying to be on my own, sort of trying out various recipe, different sort of a menu. So just trying my hand at different things now. So cooking is something which have come to my mind now. It has to be Instagram and Netflix, no doubt about that. I think last 1 week Netflix has overtaken everything. So it's only on Netflix and Netflix and Netflix. So I don't know, like just going on forever. Last night, you'll not believe, I actually slept at 2:15 in the night, which I've never done in my life, watching something. So yeah, Netflix is keeping me awake. It is changing all our routines. This is what I think quarantine is, making us go through. I watched. I've been watching Money Heist, which is actually nice, which is sort of keeping me interesting because I like the way how he thinks. Something like intellectual and crime thriller is my genre. So I prefer watching more of these genres. I know a lot of people are very agitated over the fact that we have to stay indoors, but honestly, this one phase of our effort will make our lives much more better in the future, because all of us are only thinking about the short term, like this at this moment all of us are focusing, yeah, we are not able to access, we are not able to go out, but I think down the line, if you sit back and think that we're not just investing that 1 month, it's about our futures, it's about the next few years. So I think if we can think about that, I don't think so this is a difficult phase, honestly speaking, because that motivates us to contribute to the factor that we being isolated, self-isolation is, if that's going to help the world, why not contribute in that aspect.